There is this holy grail promise related to the wearable technology. It's related to the fact that we have millions of people now who are buying and using this technology. We have over 4 billion people owning a smartphone, regardless of their socio-demographic background. Almost every second user of the smartphone installed some sort of fitness app. So there is this huge potential in this technology.
The workshop today aims to bring together academics with expertise in wearable technology and people within the NHS so that we can have a full discussion about where wearable technologies can fit within the NHS in the future and what that might look like. And it's surprisingly those are discussions that haven't really taken place in any great depth. So in the second part of the day, we're putting people in smaller groups where they're actively discussing research ideas and presenting these at the end of the day.
We've had some small group work and have come up with some absolutely great ideas. One of them, for example, was use of an app based in an insole or a sock, encouraging older adults to dance together, helping them to improve their dancing technique. It could also be used to measure the social engagement and the physical activity. This is actually about practical health problems and ways that new technologies could be used to solve those.
So this was a nice forum for some quite fruitful discussions and a really great opportunity to network with people who have a completely different background and can offer you some really interesting insight.
Wearable technologies are definitely a potential asset to healthcare systems and behaviour change that can help people become healthier and happier.